this is actually just a quick update because I'm still waiting for the welding help from my husband, and just wanted to show you why it didn't happen yet. He's quite busy restoring or maintaining one of his race engines, as well as doing some welding jobs on the frame for this bike. So I just wanted to let you know what's been up lately. I'm working a little bit on the paint job at the moment, and as usual I'm struggling in what I would like to do. I also got a present from my husband, sort of. He gave me a new rear fender because he thought it was just too much work on the old one, but I haven't decided yet, so we will see. Anyway, I will show you some sketches from my ideas of the paint job. I don't know if you could see the cat, but that is one of our garage cats. We don't have barn cats, we have garage cats. So there will be some short clips. I'm starting to make the sissy bar and made some drilling in the frame and so on. So a little bit have happened anyway, but not as much as I wanted to. And we have been quite busy with our social media account because we shared a clip from a guy we know who built, restored-ish an old Husqvarna, or as we say in Swedish, Husqvarna, from 1926. It's a one-of-a-kind bike, and we have never ever before had so many views and so many likes and so many comments on anything before. Maybe we will not have it afterwards either, I don't know. But if you don't follow us on Instagram or Facebook, head over to it and follow and likes, comments or whatever. The clip is actually also here on YouTube, so you can see it as a short video. It's just, for me, I was a little bit surprised because it's really just a close-up when the bike is running. But I think the interesting part for people who never seen old bikes is that everything is like visual, so you can actually see how an old engine works. So watch that one. So this is a Rotax, that's what we race with. So anyway, the Sportster project continues, and please stay tuned. I'm sorry about the delay, but we will be back very soon. So take care meanwhile. Bye bye.